In this video, we're going to learn how to sum a geometric progression or find the geometric series. So there's a couple of formulas which your teacher hopefully has proven to you, but to find the sum we use Sn, the notation that we've been using so far, equals. Now, if your common ratio is greater than 1, it's useful to use this version of the formula. So a bracket r to the n minus 1 all over r minus 1. However, if your common ratio is between -1 and 1, it's useful to use a different version, which is actually just multiplied by -1. It's useful to use this one, which is 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r. And both of these will sum a geometric sequence. Alright, so what I'm going to do is find the sum of the first 6 terms of the basic 3 times table. So 3, 6, 9, etc. Now, let's have a look at the first term. So we define A as 3, and the common ratio. Well, remember the common ratio can be found by taking the 2 consecutive terms and dividing the last one by the first one. So 6 divided by 3 will give me the common ratio, which is just 2. Because 2 is the common ratio and it's greater than 1, it's more applicable to use this version of the formula. So I'm going to just substitute these values into that formula there. So I get the sum of the first 6 terms is A, which is 3, and the common ratio 2 to the power 6, because I'm finding 6 terms, take away 1, all divided by 2, take away 1. Work that out. So 3 lots of, well, 2 to the power 6 you can work out on the calculator, multiplied by the 3. So let's just look at the order first of all. You're going to do 2 to the power 6 first, which is 64. Subtract by 1, which is 3. Multiply by the 3, and then we're going to divide it by 1. So we end up getting 189. And the order is very important. Some people confuse it. Remember, it's just the base 2 to the power, the common ratio to the power, and then you subtract the whole one from that. Alright, this example, I'm going to find the number of terms needed to obtain the sum of 1093 for the geometric progression of 1, 3, and 9. So let's write down what we know. We know that the first term is 1, and the common ratio, if we take 3 divided by 1, 3. So the common ratio is 3. As the common ratio is greater than 1, we're going to substitute it into this formula here. So we're trying to find n. So let's sub in what we've got. For Sn, we can actually write in that as 1093. So let's do that. 1093 equals A, which is 1, multiplied by 3 to the power n, take away 1, all divided by 3 take away 1, which is 2. To help me solve this, the first thing I'm going to do is multiply by 2. That gives me 2,186. And then I'm going to add the 1, so I get 2,187 equals 3 to the power n. Now what I have here is an unknown power, so I'm solving for an unknown power. You can have a go by plotting it on your class pads. You can plot the graph of y equals 3 to the power x and the line y equals 2,187. And what you'll find is the two intersect at a point. And the point where they intersect is actually our solution, the x coordinate. They intersect. Or there's a more sophisticated way that we do it is by taking logs of both sides. If I take logs of both sides, log of 2,187 equals n log of 3. To rearrange, I then write as n equals this log divided by the log of 3. So calculators on the ready to work that out. I'm going to run out of space on the bottom. It comes out as 7. So n is 7. So that means that there are 7 terms added together to give us the sum of 1093.